Advesta sarvabhutanam maitra karuna evacha. This shloka really is perfectly fit for Sindhutai Satkar. Pranamas to the great soul. Really, Advesta sarvabhutanam. What actually it means? The society rejected her. Nobody cared for her, but she adopted the whole society. For whom nobody cared, she cared for those such people. Maitra, she made friendship with such people. Karuna, she took care of them. They were not even getting food. They were really struggling for food, for survival. She took care of all such people. And this is what the great soul Sindhutai is. Really, married at the age of 11. And then at the age of 20, she fought for the people, the villagers, who were really working hard to lift the cow dung. She won the battle with the government, but many people were angry. Some plans were made against her, and her husband threw her out of the house. Really, it was a pathetic moment for her. The situation was such worst that she was pregnant, and she was thrown into a stable where a lot of cows were there and they were kept open. Really, she could have died because of the cows and all. But really, Indian philosophy, Indian ideas, our cows, they are not casually called as mother because they have the spirit of motherhood. That's why they are called as mothers. Go Mata ki jai. Really, they did not trouble her a lot. They protected her, they shouted, and she has given birth at the same place to the child. Finally, she was homeless. Her family, her mother did not accept her. Such tough situations. Neither her husband was ready to take care. Her mother was not ready to take care. She was 20 years old, 10 days baby. Such a tough situation. Not having food to eat. She has to survive. By hook or crook, whatever she has to do. She decided, like many beggars are surviving, I will also beg and survive. Where to stay? She did not have a place to stay. She found the burial ground. There I will survive. There I will stay. What to do? There is no place. There she was to prepare rotis and eat. Night 12 o'clock, you understand how dogs, how animals will be there, how dangerous that place a person can imagine. A single lady with a small child had to survive in tough situations. She decided that she will do suicide. She went to the railway station. She went and was sitting onto the railway track. But then she decided, no, suicide is not the solution. I will do social service. She was about to die, but death is not the solution. Dawn of divinity, the society contribution, this is what I have to do. She decided, she started working for the people. Adivasi people were fighting for their cause. She stood for them strong and she helped many people. Thousands and lakhs of people she helped by her motivational lectures. She may not have got the formal education, but her lessons are taught in textbooks. She may not actually have got the care from the family, but she has loved thousands of people as a mother, and that's what the great soul Sindhutai is. Really, such people are great inspiration. Of course, struggles come to make us strong, and that's what the lessons she has taught to all of us. Really, we are very thankful for such a great personality, such great contribution. We all should take inspiration from her. Living for self is a common thing. Everybody does. Even animals live for themselves. But humanity is in living for the society, contributing to the society. This lesson, a single lady, powerful lady, she has proved to the world. She has got 750 plus awards from the society. How to feed so many people, thousands of people who are staying in her ashram. She was to go to the people. She was to tell them, motivate them for living. And in return, she said, okay, you are having money to feed your children. Just give little money to feed thousands of children whom I am taking care of. And everybody voluntarily contributed. Such is the great value system of our Indian society is. Really, no government support till now with such a contribution. Medals were there, 750 plus awards, but government funding she did not get. Funding she got from the Janta Janardhan. Really, the public is the real great source support to her. When you stand tall to support the society, society stands with you. That is what she showed. And this values, this lessons, what she taught to us. Yesterday, she was no more with us, but her life lessons, her teachings, her soul will always be there with us, the Indians. India has seen such a great saints, such great people. Ultimately, with the shlokas of Bhagavad Gita, she was she has given her last spirit, and all the people in Maharashtra really cried for her. Born on 14th November 1947, yesterday only she died. It is not just a life for petty means, it was a life for great contribution to the society. When things become tough, you become tough to contribute more. And that's what she taught. Let us learn, let us spread happiness, let us take care of the people who are weaker sections of the society, who are downtrodden, don't have resources enough. We can help them who have little more and make the society a better place to live in. That's what she taught. And let us take lessons from her. Thank you all. We'll meet.